YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, man. You already see what's going on. Oh my God! You already see what we got going on. Madness.
Hey! That's the beat. Breathing.
That bitch tough. Yo, pop the hood.
Yo, I need to do that, bro.
Machine outside. I like the yellow, boy. The yellow paint.
I got the other DRL.
You already see what we got going on. Big M5. Big 530. Now no regular 530 though. Do your homework. What y'all think this is? I know a lot of y'all gonna say 540. Hell no. M550, nigga. Do your homework. Do your homework. Big anniversary badge, boy. Do I gotta break this shit down? And y'all already know we got the M2 outside. Sheesh. Outside. Yeah, man. So you know right now, we out here in the trenches now. Let me stop, I'm gonna fuck with you. We about to go to this call me right now. About to cruise to this call me on some chill shit. You know what I'm saying?
Right now I'm not on E30. Right now I'm on pump.
Chill.
But when I do run E30,
Chill shit. Let's see if I can get this flip for y'all. Nah. See this right here? Give me a little thumbnail for the vid, man. Look, watch. Bang. Do your homework on the upside down holding the phone. Nah. Machine. Machine. We just won the block. Nah, his shit is talking. What the fuck? Man, I already see what's. Nah, his shit is speaking crazy. Nah, he's wildin'. Man, M5 up there talking, yo. Oh, run the light? Fuck it. That's what y'all on? Sheesh. Nah, these niggas is wildin'.
see this every day.
Word. Man, you already know what's going on, man.
We're gonna get in front of Tom, so that y'all can record like Tom.
Okay.
Like all of us.
Okay.
So you got the GoPro. And I'm gonna like be able to switch it back and forth.
Type shit.
To get who in front of me and who behind.
Okay.
Okay. We on the strip right now. I can buy.
See what's going on, yo.
Right. You see what's going on? Hold on. You gotta wait till we get to the other ones. Hold on. We gotta tell Tom.
Oh. Nigga Dante, son. Okay. A little flutter to it.
GoPro in the head?
You know it.
I got a GoPro, but my shit dead.
Nah, you baited.
I'll charge my shit right now.
Nah, what the fuck? Nah, whoa. Smell like straight gas. Straight gas. We get on the highway? Nah.
Oh. That shit is retarded. Nigga deli, son. Bang! Nah. Madness. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, go left, go left.
I got you. shit. Yo, how much you pushing? Yeah. Let's get a roll.
Yo, this shit is crazy.
Yo, 30 roll, 40 roll? Yeah. Let's do a 30 roll. I bet. Man, y'all already see what's going on, man. M2 versus M5. Trying to let traffic go down a little bit. Oh shit. Nah, that M5 fast, boy. This the meat? Nah. You lying.